Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you can't cast Prime Video onto your TV or it won't connect, buffer or play, it usually means there is a network, device or app issue affecting Chromecast. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix Chromecast not working on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. You have to know that Chromecast requires same network plus stable connection. It works through your phone or TV together, often fails due to simple setup issues. So focus on network and device sync. Okay, so first things, connect to the same Wi-Fi network, like make sure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi. Avoid guest or separate networks. It's required for casting to work. Okay. Restart your devices, like restart your phone, restart your TV or Chromecast, restart your router. This fixes most connection issues, okay? You can also reconnect Chromecast, like open Prime Video, tap the cast icon, select your Chromecast device again. This refreshes connection, okay? Check internet stability too, like ensure strong Wi-Fi signal. Move closer to the router if needed, because weak signal means casting failure, okay? Update the app, like update Prime Video app on your phone, okay? Look for it in the search and update the application if the update is available, okay? So it fixes compatibility issues, okay? You can also disable VPN or proxy, so turn off VPN or proxy if you are using any, because VPN can block casting or device detection, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.